Welcome back to Agastache Apricot Sprite. This is part 2 of my video. Today I'm just going to be pricking out and potting these on. These are a half-hardy perennial, so some people say that you can overwinter them if you get a mild winter, but we'll see. This is the first year of growing these, so first of all, fill your pots with a good free draining. I like to use a peat-based compost. I've tried peat-free this year. I'm not happy with it at all. The quality is just not there for me at the moment. When the quality improves, I will transfer over totally to peat-free. I haven't got a problem with it. Like I said, the quality is just not there at the moment. It's a shame, because I tried two or three different types this year, and the difference between that and the peat-based compost is night and day. Anyway, let's get back to these. So yeah, these are Agastache, these from Thompson & Morgan. These are called Apricot Sprite. They're a shorter grown variety, and they're free flowering right until the first frost. So, like I said, these are a half-hardy perennial. They will flower the first year, that's why I've got them. So all you want to do is when you hold them, try not to damage any of the leaves, because that's how it produces its food and its energy from the sun, photosynthesizers. So you don't want to damage any of that. That's one done. I use a pen. We use a knife, a flat bladed knife can be good as well. Anything, just as long as you can get underneath without damaging the roots, that's the main thing. That's 2 out there, so just split that in. Get that one done here. You want to plant it at the same level as it's in your trays. Once they've been done like so, give them a little sprinkle of water from the top. These normally go in my, I'll just show you, these normally go in my tray here for watering, but that's totally full at the moment with my rose cuttings. So what I'll be able to treat myself to is a little tray that I can fill with water, capillary action. It's got a little mat in there. Don't know if you can see that. So then I can just put them there and they will soak up that water nicely. Brilliant. So yeah, pardon me, that's how to grow Agastache Apricot Sprite. I'll finish doing these in a second. If you've got any questions on anything I'm growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching. Everybody, keep safe and keep well. Thank you. Bye.